Hello, my name is Douglas. I appreciate you checking out the video. This will be quite advanced for some of you because you'll look at it and you go, huh, how'd you do that? So what we're doing is we are using the get response HTML code, and we're going to go over to my website, which is already logged in here, and we're going to post another post, but we've got to create the post, and we're going to all kinds of things. So right here, to build the form, you've got to, this is a company called Leads Leap, and this will work on any MLM company to help generate more leads to you. But to even get started to build the list, what I'm creating is a website form to get email addresses and numbers. So if you look right on this side, you got to go to the developer tools network tab and disconnect your catch. Yeah, so you go over here, hit this, come down. Where did I find that? Down over in settings. It ain't in settings. Go. Let's try that again. Where did I see that? More tools. Yeah, so we're in more tools. We're web developer tools. Click that, and that's going to come up on the bottom. And it's just going to show white screen. This mess y'all up. So, okay, let's try that again. Oh, it's kicking in now. It's got to do something. All right. See, it's always interesting shooting these videos. So, yeah, it's up. Yep, there it goes. I'm gonna have to move up a little bit. And now what we're disable catch. So we're coming down here and clicking that. All right, we're going to add a new campaign. So, and this was on the form builder of the Leads Leap. And we're going to add a new campaign. We're going to call it New Leads Funnel. And then EL. All right, add now. And this takes off and does all kinds of weird things. So add a new form start. That's a good, so we come there. We're not going to import it, but that's one thing that's really cool about this is you can import codes and just paste it onto that. Now I'll do another video about that. So we're going to add a new form. And launch editor. A neat thing about this, it kind of tells you what to do. It has it highlighted and click. Come up here, and we're actually looking for the HTML code. And what we're going to do is hit a template. So you kind of go through here and look and see. Don't have too awful many of them. Well, about 9 of them. So how complex do you? Let's look at this one. Okay. We'll just go through them all. Different templates. You also want to free tools. I'm using to build my business. I'm using free tools. And I kind of like that one. Okay, that's pretty simplified. So I like that one. And this is where it gets interesting is you click a list manager and you're going to go instead of a 2 Leads Leap, you're going to use a third party. You hit that and come back over here. This is where this comes in. So now we'll run get response. And we're gonna, what I'm going to do is, you got to have a autoresponder to do this with. I don't guess you do, but yeah, this is how, and I'm going to send it to that one right there. Online money. Okay, so we need to come up here, come down to forms, pop up, or form is the same thing. Okay, create a new form. And I can go with the legacy, so we hit that. Now here, what separates it is they've already have forms here. But if you want to take this and you can actually post this up directly onto the website, and or you can do this, you click that. Okay, here, and this is where you connect it to the online money machine. And it's going to go out on day 0, which I will later on go in and put a welcome letter there, all nice and neat. And we are going to put let's just see what it does. That's interesting. So I can actually put so I'm going to go up here and that'll go away. I'm going to add my Live Good link to that right quick. I had to go on YouTube and verify my account with YouTube to make my videos longer. Imagine that. I'm not going to put a source code on this, but we'll find out. Okay, so here, custom. So I'm going to paste that right here. And see if anything else I need on there. I think we're gonna right now it's just showing an email. But I think I'm going to add a name to it. Up here, that should be that name. And this will redirect it. See, it's all kind of hidden in this code right here. Ain't that kind of cool? So, okay, and from here, I'm just going to hit this, or I'll bring that up, and that way I don't lose this code. I'm going to come down and post it. I've already had that kind of set up, and I hit that. And before I lose it, I'm going to hit save. And that's down a little notepad. Okay, so that's copied and paste. So now I'm going to come over here and figure out new sales lead funnel. So we're going to launch the editor again, which is probably already over here. Oh, look at there. Hey, so we're going to take that down, get back to where we were. And third party. So import form details. So I'm going to paste this code right here. All right. And I'm going to import the code. And that's all. Advanced setting. I guess I can call it a name. I'm going to leave that all alone. It should work just like it is. All right. So, and here I can actually edit this. Sign up for free, receive free tools to build my business. And I always kind of like red. I'll pull me down here and see if I can't at least change this button here. You just come over here, it's a little neat little editor, and you click that, and that should turn red. Ain't that cool? Okay, and up here you got business. So let's see if I can't turn that into red too. Highlight it, and I took it back. And about the same color red. There, so change it up a little bit. Build your business. And I'm going to put any Y business. And using free tools, no expense in there. Training provided. Is that not cool? Okay, I think I've got this all figured out. It's an HTML code. I'm going to hit save. Work saved. All right, now it gets, that's good and interesting. over here, well, that popped up good. I'm going to go up and I'm going to do a post. And I'm going to name this post. What am I going to name this post? I'll probably go back and rename it. New sales funnel. All right, kind of been through this. So you put a container on it, hit that. And if I'm right, go back to here. I did a third party list. And for now, I can actually come down here and I believe just turn it back on when you're done creating. So I'm done creating, get rid of this. And HTML form. So which one is it? I got 3 of them. So that goes to my other 2. Now this goes into a, and that goes, so it's got to be this one. So I'm going to get the HTML form code, which is this right here. Hit select all, copy, and here I've got to add that a custom HTML. Hit that, hit publish, and we're going to open this in another tab, and this is what it looks like. So what we got here is we got the website, which is Work with Douglas. I can also, buy the domain of workwithdouglas.net, .org, .com. Very unlikely that I get .com, but I might get like a .org or net. New sales funnel. So they're going to go in here and they're going to type in an email and their name. And already, let's see, just to test it. This is already in the system, but it might work. So we're going to just put test page landing, hit subscribe, and this will come back to that. You already subscribed. So that's a good thing because you're, well, I'm allowed quite a few. Do you want to update your contact information? I'm going to hit no. And what was cool was it jumped back over to did you see how that worked? Is once you subscribed, it went into the Live Good, which I am a bronze member in this. So this thing has really taken out. It's over 300,000 members now. I do encourage you to hit the link. Let's get started and make some money. There's people making. I saw one, Nick, he had made $7,800 in the month, I do believe. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to go ahead and get off here and we'll shoot another one. Please subscribe.